how to find and see your whiteboards on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and see whiteboards on Zoom PC easily and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to Zoom and log into your account, and now this is the home page as you can see right here. Or what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on my account option. Now after you click, it will take you to this page. Now go to whiteboards right here. It's a new feature as you can see. Click on it, and right here you will find your whiteboards as you can see. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.